back out again, guys. There's the destination tonight, up to the waterfall. So come on, let's go. That's about 5-10 minutes in, picking our way up, following the river, up through the ferns. They're about waist deep, so stick to the edge as much as I can. We got by this point, it should open up a wee bit. Well, evening guys, that's me settling down now. So that's me in the location tonight, a secret location up in Glencoe. So this is my spot where we are tonight, I'll let you see. Nice wee waterfall here. And there you go, there's the pitch, the wee secret lagoon. Getting to that time of night, I'm hungry. So we've got pork chops tonight. I've got garlic mushrooms there. I've got the wee TF grill and we'll get them cooked up in the fire. So going to be tasty with a stunning view. Well, dinner's nearly ready, we're getting there, so it's sizzling away nicely. So just about time to add in the garlic mushrooms, and I've got a wee bit of basmati rice there to get topped in at the top of that as well. So no be long, smells good, all with a view. Well, pork loin with garlic mushrooms, and it just absolutely smells amazing. So a couple of minutes and you'll be ready. Wow, pork loins, garlic mushrooms, taste test, absolutely amazing. It's not so good this morning. A beautiful night last night, but they've got the rain and the hair and everything's all come in this morning. You can see it hanging over the hills. It's still a great night. Nice to get a solo camp in. So as usual, if you like it, give it a wee thumbs up. Leave a comment below. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do. It helps me out a lot. So stay safe, be good. Catch you the next time. Bye. Well, that's the only bit that's left there. It's a bit of flat grass. Nice wee spot, I'll certainly come back here again. Miserable morning now though. The rain's on and the midges are out.